Guys, it's your girl Robbie the Balloon Stylist. Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Tap that bell for notifications. Please support your girl Robbie the Balloon Stylist. Let's get into it. When you first open up your plastic covers, it's going to look like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to open it up, making sure that one side is blocked and the other side is open. Making sure this is blocked, this is open. You're going to wrap it around the yarn. Pull your plastic table covers over the yarn. The remainder of this, you're going to pull it through and feed it in, just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and hold on to your yarn and gently pull it down.